Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY, and today we are going to look at the Royal Cell Pro 6-inch mini chainsaw. This is going to be model MCS 108. I've already opened it up just so that I can get the batteries charged. It's going to come with this covering over your actual plastic carrier. We're just going to set that aside. And by the way, there is a QR code on the side here so that you can go to that with your phone and download the manual so that you can actually see everything. So I'd like that. I like the fact that they make sure that you've got a manual. Even though you're going to probably get a paper one in here, we'll find out as we get into it. But this is a really nice little handheld chainsaw. It's a 6-inch chainsaw. This is going to be 750 watts, weighs about 2.7 pounds. I love all the safety features on it. Being lightweight, that is going to make it very easy if you're elderly, if you're female, or if for some reason you're a little weak and you have a hard time holding up equipment to cut limbs and things, because some chainsaws can be extremely heavy and hard to maneuver. This is featherweight, so just about anyone can use this. When I spoke about the safety features just now, the things that I like, this has a really nice guard on your hand so that it keeps you from getting things up against your hand and hurt. It has the guard here at the top that helps you for kickback, things like that, keeps the blade from cutting you. But it also shrouds the material as you're cutting so it's not flying in your face. Speaking of that, they do give you safety glasses that you can wear to keep things out of your eyes. Now the chain on this is going to be an 18-inch chain, but it gives you a 6-inch cut. So you can cut all the way up to a 6-inch wide limb really easily with this. Now, so all chainsaws require oil, even battery or electric powered chainsaws. Where this one is going to take the oil is this cap at the top. You're simply going to open up the cap and you are going to put oil in it, put the cap back, just like that, and then you'll prime your oil right here at the top. So it makes it really simple. Now, some of the other features that this unit has is it has a thumb lock here. Now, what this thumb lock is for is not to lock it on so that you don't have to keep pressing the trigger. What that does is it makes sure that you do not accidentally pull the trigger. You have to have the thumb lock pressed in and pull the trigger at the same time to make it work. Let me show you how that works. We have the battery in. I can pull that trigger all day long. It's not doing anything. I have to push the thumb lock and then I can pull the trigger. So that actually works very well. Now they even went as far as to put an LED light up here in the front so that you can illuminate the actual cutting surfaces even in low light situations. So I'm going to activate it again so you can see the light. So that is really a nice function. So they are going to also give you 2 batteries to make sure that you do not run out of power. These batteries have indicators on them letting you know how much power you actually have in the battery. They are 3,000 milliamp batteries, so not bad. And the fact that they give you 2 of them, that is fantastic as well. They're going to give you the charger, and they even go as far as to give you a sharpener for the actual cutting chain. That's a really nice feature that I don't see real often. And come back down here, they're going to give you a few things in the bag here that I think is nice. First of all, they're going to give you some little gloves, which is a nice thing to be able to put on to protect your hands. One of the next things I'm going to point out, they give you an entirely new bar. So if you mess this bar up by accident, which does happen if you've ever messed or dealt with any type of chainsaw, it happens real easily, they give you a backup bar. That is a great thing, and I don't see that real often. I do see sometimes chains, but not the bar. They do give you the chain, so they give you another 6-inch chain to actually replace if that chain wears out and you can't get it to sharpen anymore with that provided sharpener. They give you a couple of other little tools. They give you the tool here to be able to tighten and remove the chain, which is going to be this one. It has a Phillips head on one side and the little bolt area on the other. They also give you a cleaning brush right here to be able to clean it as you use it. And they give you a little container for the oil. Now you are going to have to get your own oil to put inside of it, but you will actually fill it up with the container. They also give you a little contact card so that you can contact them if you have any issues, and it has QR codes all over it. Now, the manual itself, it has a QR code in the very front, it has one in the back, has them all through the book, allowing you to go to shortcuts to be able to see everything you need to see to get this unit to work. But the one thing I want to point out that I really like about their manual is large, clear print. So many manuals have really terrible small print. This one has great print. It's actually color inside so that you do not, as a matter of fact, all the pictures are color photos, and they do a lot of photos to make sure you understand what you're doing. So overall, guys, this seems to be a great system. Another thing I wanted to point out is the motor itself on this is going to be made with copper windings, which means it'll last a long time, and it should not overheat like some of the lesser made motors that are out there today. So a couple of the things I want to point out though about the way this is made, the handle is all rubber and it is extremely comfortable. I like the fact that it has some grooving to help you hold on so it's not going to slip, which is, by the way, another safety feature, but they didn't overdo it on the grooves. Some of these units I see have really deep, thick grooves, and what happens is you're going to collect a lot of debris and dirt and mud inside of those, areas, and you have to clean them a lot. This is extremely comfortable to hold. They even gave you a little strap on the back so you can put it around your wrist if you need to, or you can even hang this by the strap or carry it by the strap. So what we're going to do now, you've seen the actual unit, you've seen how it works. We're going to go out and we're going to trim a couple of little limbs and we're going to just see how this thing actually performs. So let's do that. All right, guys, it's a little bit rainy out here today, but we're going to try a couple of different types of wood. I've got a wet piece of dimensional lumber, 2x6. We're going to see how it cuts that. I purposely pick wet because I want to see if I was, actually cutting into a log and it's wet lumber, how does it work? Because obviously if you're cutting a limb, it's going to be wet. And I have a dried piece of actual wood. We're going to, a limb, and we're going to cut that as well. Now, one of the things I'm going to tell you is when you first get it, your chain is probably going to be loose. So I'm going to take my fingers off that trigger because I have a battery in it, but it needs to be tight about where I have it right here. And you're going to need to tighten it. And all you do is take the tool they give you, place it on here, loosen, pull the bar, tighten back. Make sure that it's not too tight, but that it's not too loose. The next thing you're going to need to do is you've got to put some oil in. Take the little cap off. You have the little oil filler that they give you, and you have to pop the top, fill it with oil, and then you can fill it here. Or if you do like I did and you're very careful, you can go ahead and fill it up gently without it overflowing and ending up all over your motor. So you have to be cautious there. Now, once you have that done, you're going to prime it. I'm going to push it a few times so I'm sure I'm getting oil through there. And now I am ready to roll. So let's see how this cuts. Oh, and before you do it, use the glasses they give you. And these adjust, by the way. I thought that was pretty cool. But put those on because when you're dealing with a chainsaw, it can throw things. Even though you have the guard, it can still throw things on you. So you want to make sure that you don't get anything in your eyes. So what I'm going to do, I tell you what, I'm going to step behind this to make sure that you're able to see. So we're behind here. Let's see how it actually cuts. Cut right through it, really easy. Now this is hardwood because this is very dry. Now let's try some dimensional lumber. I use a lot of these tools while I'm doing construction projects and I want to cut out big pieces of material. So let's cuts through it really easy. Now, anytime you're cutting and pulling towards you, make sure you're not in front of your leg in case it kicks or comes through real quick and you whack your own leg. They do have chaps you can wear if you're using these to help keep you from doing that, but I always make sure I'm far enough away. Now, it cut through without any problem, and you just want to keep that chain oiled. So overall, guys, I think it cuts extremely well. And if I'm going around cutting little limbs, that is fantastic. I think this is going to be a great unit for that. So let's get back inside and do our recap. So there you go, guys. You got to see an overview. You got to see it unboxed, and you got to see it in action. Honestly, I think this is an awesome little unit. It has a ton of power, but yet it is easy to maneuver and move around. I love all the safety precautions and protections that are built into this. I love the fact that they think about you and give you an extra bar and an extra chain. I mean, they want to make sure you use this for a long time. They even give you 2 batteries, so that if one battery gets weak, you don't have to wait and go charge it and then go back and finish. You plug the new battery in, plug the other battery back on the charger, and you're up and running again. So if I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd have to give it 5 stars because I think it's awesome and I think it's built to last a long time. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today, and we'll see you guys on the next review.